Come on, Apple.
Us three could so happy cheerleaders.
What the fuck?
Good idea.
Word.
My cheeks hurt.
What the fuck was that? What the fuck? What a retard. Lols.
Oh, come the fuck
He's
up.
been going on with this for like a half hour now. Like, no lie.
No, half
Nah.
hour.
20 minutes then. 20 minutes?
10 minutes. Yeah. That one just went right over. Just
I
climb
just
up
fucked
the
up.
tree.
Yeah, that's what I've been saying. Climb up the fucking tree. You could totally make it at least like closer.
You just shake it.
Yeah, word. You're like wasting mad time. You could just climb up the tree. I am fucking too fucked up for that bullshit right now. I don't care about a damn apple, so I'm not going to.
Uh-oh.
Oh shit.
Moved it.
You're like not even close. What the fuck? This fucking bug. Jesus Christ. Oh shit. It's moving.
Why don't you go and use that one up there? It's more redder.
Yeah.
You go.
This is ridiculous.